Welcome to the VX Series first time setup video. We'll go over the steps to get your new VX Series transmitter ready to go on air. This will cover the VX3 through the VX6. I'm here with the amplifier section now, getting ready to wire up the AC power to it. Got the screws taken out of the AC cover, so you can just pull that off and set that aside for now. I'll run the cabling through there, secured in the clamp. When I'm ready to go, just pull out. We have easy access to the AC wiring terminal block. I'm set up for single phase right now, so I'll just bring my line to neutral in and then connect my AC ground at the bottom. If you need to change wiring, you can follow the diagram on the output box for 4-wire or 5-wire 3-phase if you have a neutral or not. Just match up your connections according to that, run your cabling, and then slide it all back in place and secure the box down again. We've got the exciter controller unit in place on top of the amplifier, and I've grabbed the 3 cables that were in the box under the exciter, and I'll use these now to interconnect the two together. Start with this one. This will be for our RF drive out from the exciter. That'll feed to the RF drive in on the amplifier section. So I'll just plug these in real quick here. You want to be sure that these are well connected and secure, or you can run into exciter SWR issues when you try to run up for the first time. Perfect, nice and snug, nice and snug. Next we'll grab this one, and this will run from the RF sample out on the amplifier section to the RF sample in on the exciter section. As before, you want to make sure that these are fully seated and nice and snug, or you can get some unexpected behavior down the line. I'll just quickly pull this interlock out of the way so I have a little more space to work. And I'll thread that on. Perfect. Last cable will be this one. This is our transmitter link cable, so it'll run from the XMTR link port on the amplifier section up to the XMTR link port on the exciter. I'll just click this in place. Perfect. And that'll allow power supply control and some metering feedback between the two units. Make sure I throw the interlock back in, or I'll have issues when I try to run up. There we go. One final check, make sure they're all snug, and we're good to go. So we're on the front of the unit, getting ready to power it up for the first time. The amplifier stage has all its power applied. The power supplies are showing their AC OK lights, so I'll get some power into the exciter controller unit and we'll see what we get. Quick pulse from the fans as the power supply kicks on. And there we go. So now that we're booted, we've got the first time startup screen here, so we'll just run through quickly and establish our first preset. We'll select the frequency there. I'll leave it 98.1 for my purposes here. Set a power level, set audio source for input level, set our audio mode and preemphasis. Don't need that low pass filter. I'm good to go. Now these settings can all be changed later. These are fully frequency agile, so there's nothing to do to change frequency except pressing a button. Just go down and make sure I'm set for DHCP, which I am, so perfect. Yeah, so once I plumb this into a network, it'll get an address for itself, and then I can get in through the network to get into the web AUI and get a little more access from there. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, go to nautel.com or check out our YouTube channel.